Hey, I'm Steve with Marine Depot Direct, and today I wanted to talk to you about how to order a custom Portlight directly from our website. So let's get on to marinedepotdirect.com and I'll go through it with you. Alright, now that we've got ourselves to marinedepotdirect.com, let's go over to the resources panel. So here in our resources panel, you've got a bunch of stuff to choose from. Find places to fish and boat, get a fishing license online, custom Portlight order form, deck hatch order form, informational and how-to videos, helpful articles and blog posts, online boating courses, and our frequently asked questions. Let's go ahead and click on Custom Portlight Order Form. That automatically starts the download of our order form. So let's go to your downloads folder or wherever you have your download set to go. And let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, now that we've got this Portlight order form up, we can go ahead and fill this in. If you have any questions about what's what things mean, there are multiple pages to this. You just have to scroll and boom. We've got a couple other of the order form templates and some explanations here. Round opening portlights, rectangular opening, oval fixed, rectangular fixed. We've just got a bunch of options. So you can kind of go through and see what everything means. Filling this out, pretty straightforward. You put in the quantity, the Portlight model that you want, the cutout size, that's important. So it doesn't include the flange or anything like that. It's just the cutout size of your boat that you're going to be mounting this into. Then you can specify your spigot size in either millimeter or inches. The trim ring that you're looking for here, straight, angled, bolt through, traditional, H trim ring, all that kind of stuff. Next you can do what's going to be keeping the Portlight open. You can do none, you can use the chain or whatever method you have custom. You don't need to select anything here. Friction stay arm, friction hinges, anything like that. If you want the glass frosted or not, if you want it tinted or colored, you have these options here. What kind of Portlight knobs you want. Keep in mind that the nylon one is standard, everything else will increase the price. And then name, date, any kind of comments that you want, and that's all it takes to fill out the Portlight order form. Once you've got this filled out, make sure to save it, open it up after you saved it, just to make sure that everything you've written in there is saved, because you know sometimes computers can be a little bit finicky here and there, and then you just email that over to us. You can email that to info@marinedepotdirect.com, and that should be showing up on the screen right now. And that's all there is to ordering a custom Portlight from us. Hey, thanks for checking out that video. You can click over here to see what YouTube thinks you should be watching next, and you can click over here to subscribe to our channel for more of our content and just more of me.